Hello, everybody, and Happy New Year. Hey, I want to talk to you a minute about bankruptcy. I'm getting a lot of questions from realtors and some customers in regards to wanting to refinance or purchase a home, but they filed a bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is definitely not the end of the world. Bad things happen to good people, so there are certain guidelines that you have to follow if you want to refinance your home or purchase a new one. As a general rule of thumb, if you want to get a regular conforming loan through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, there's a 5-year waiting period. There are some exceptions to that, but as a general rule of thumb, most of you watching this video, it's a 5-year waiting period. Now, FHA is a lot more liberal and easy on those guidelines. If you filed a bankruptcy and you didn't own a home, or you did own a home and you did not take your house down in the bankruptcy, the rules are simple. You have a 24-month waiting period from the date that your bankruptcy was discharged. So if your discharge date's on January 1st, 2 years from that date, you're able to apply to refinance or purchase a new home. Now, if you took a home down in the bankruptcy, it gets a little more complicated because now the rule is you can't refinance or purchase a home within 36 months from when the deed was transferred out of your name. So in other words, you filed bankruptcy, the bank took the house back. Whenever they transferred that deed out of your name and back into theirs is when that 36-month clock starts ticking. Now, some banks do that right away, no problem. But I've seen other banks hold on to it for 6, 8, even 12 months before they do that. The information as far as when that deed was transferred out of your name is pretty simple to find, and your lender should be able to help you get that information so you know exactly when you can apply to refinance or purchase a new home. At East Wisconsin Savings Bank, we don't have waiting periods or guidelines. We do what makes sense. We do what's smart. So for those of you out there that have kept your nose clean, you have a really good story about what happened when you filed bankruptcy, we're not going to hold that against you forever, and we're not going to put up timelines that are going to determine when you can apply. If you've done the right thing and continue to do the right thing since the bankruptcy, and you're good people, which most of you are, we're more than likely going to allow you to apply and give you the opportunity to purchase or refinance that home that you're in, provided you've kept everything clean since the bankruptcy. I hope this answers your questions. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. As always, thank you for your time. Barry Wood.
East Wisconsin Savings Bank.